Today Josh and I are going to be making a gingerbread house for Christmas.
We'll start off by putting icing into the base mold. So then we can put the building pieces in to hold it in place. Ella is just opening out the roof section and the doors of the gingerbread house. And once I've finished putting in the icing, she'll put them in on top of it to hold it in place.
So these are the roofs, these are the front and back of the house, and these are the sides of the house.
I'll hold these in place, but Ella puts icing on them to stick the front and back side to the sides.
So to decorate it, we've got 2 packs of love hearts, we've got some Halloween Haribos, we've got some jelly beans, some of these sweets, some Smarties, and some nerds.
Now that it's all hardened and ready, we can now completely decorate the gingerbread house. We're going to start by putting some icing on the front doorstep and put some rainbow nerds on it to make it colourful. Now I've completed the little dots on the roof, so let's do that on the other side.
They look nice.
This is our complete gingerbread house.